Unpackage your new Woody's runners and compare them to your existing runners to ensure you have purchased the correct replacement part. Align the studs on the runner with the corresponding holes in the ski. Some ski designs may require a portion of the runner to be inserted into the ski before aligning the studs. Consult your dealer if you have any questions about your specific application. Apply pressure to the bottom of the runner so that the studs protrude through the top of the holes. Moderate pressure may be required. Start all of the nuts onto the corresponding studs by hand. Using a ratchet wrench, tighten the nuts evenly, starting with the center nut and being sure to pull the runner into the ski evenly. Once all the nuts have been snugged up with the ratchet, consult your machine's manual to obtain the proper torque specification for your specific application. Set your torque wrench to the specification acquired in the previous step. Perform a final torquing to all of the nuts. Failure to torque your runner properly can damage your ski and a runner and can also present serious safety concerns. After initial installation and each use, be sure to check that the front of the runner fits tightly in the opening or indentation into the ski. The runner should fit snugly with the contour of the ski. After each use, check the carbide runners for wear, fractures, or breakage. Additionally, inspect the studs and nuts for breakage or stripping. If any of these occur, replace your carbide runners on both skis immediately. For more instructions and expert advice, visit us at woodystraction.com and click the instructions link at the bottom of the homepage.